Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talking about blockchain technology. Now, you may have heard of blockchain before, but do you actually know what it is and how it works? Well, that's what we are going to be divining into today. So let's get started. First, we need to know what is blockchain. So first things first, what exactly is blockchain? Well, at its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. Essentially, it's a way to securely and transparently track data and transaction. Now we are going to explain how does blockchain work. Now that we know what is blockchain, let's talk about how it actually works. Blockchain uses a series of blocks which contain transaction data. Each block is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name of blockchain. Those blocks are sorted on multiple computers, making it nearly impossible for any one person to manipulate the data. Now, this slide we are going to explain benefits of blockchain. So, why use blockchain? There are actually a lot of benefits to this technology. For one, it's highly secure and transparent. Because the data is sorted on multiple computers, it's very difficult for any one person to hack into the system and manipulate the data. Additionally, blockchain is highly efficient and can process transaction quickly. Now we are going to explain blockchain in finance. One area where blockchain is making a big impact is in finance. Banks and other financial institutions are using blockchain to securely and quickly process transactions without the need for intermediaries. Now we are going to explain blockchain in supply chain management. Another area where blockchain is being used is in supply chain management. By using blockchain, companies can track their products from start to finish, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the entire process. Here, this is another uses of blockchain in healthcare. Blockchain is also being used in healthcare to securely and transparently store patient data. This can help to reduce medical error and ensure that patient receive the best possible care. Now we are going to explain two big things like blockchain and cryptocurrency. Of course, one of the most well-known application of blockchain is in the world of cryptocurrency. Blockchain is what allows cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to function securely and transparently. So, now we are going to explain risks of blockchain. While blockchain is a powerful technology, there are some potential risks associated with it. For example, if a majority of the computers in the network are controlled by one entity, that entity could potentially manipulate the data. Additionally, there is the risk of losing access to your data if you lose your private key. Now we are going to explain about current state of blockchain. So, what's the current state of blockchain? Well, it's still a relatively new technology, but it's quickly gaining a popularity and acceptance. Many major companies and organizations are already using blockchain in a variety of ways, and it's likely that we'll see even more widespread adoption in the upcoming years. Now we are going to explain about future of blockchain. Looking to the future, there's a lot of potential for blockchain to continue to grow and evolve. Some experts predict that blockchain could become a key technology in areas like voting, identity verification, and more. So now we are going to explain how you can getting involved with blockchain. If you are interested in getting involved with blockchain, there are a few ways to do so. You could start by learning more about the technology and its application, or you could invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now we are going to explain about blockchain and the environment. Blockchain technology has the potential to play a significant role in environmental sustainability effort. For example, it could be used to create a transparent supply chain for sustainable products or to track carbon emission. Some companies are already exploring those possibilities and implementing blockchain based solutions for environmental challenges. Now we need to know about ethical consideration in blockchain. As with any technology, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind when it comes to blockchain. One issue is the potential for blockchain to perpetuate existing power imbalances or to be used for nefarious purpose. It's important to approach the development and implementation of blockchain technology with an ethical and critical lens. So that's a brief overview of blockchain technology. As you can see, it has a lot of potential to transform a variety of industries and areas of our lives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of my latest videos. Thank you.